Hi everyone, my name is Akshay Joshi. I graduated in 2012. After that, I worked for about five and a half years in India in the automotive and engineering industries and in the function of supply chain. Thereafter, during that time, I also completed my MTech from BITS Pilani, and then I decided that okay, I need to broaden my horizon, and I started looking for MBA options all across the world. And this is where it brings us to our first slide. So, how does German MBA compare to the global MBA programs? And what you can see, this is all my research, and what I found is the German MBA programs are certainly more comparable to the US, Australia, Canada, UK MBA programs. And the main thing or the main difference is it is a general management MBA program. So, as you know, maybe if you go to US, you will have the first year as a general management program, followed by a second year of specialization. But most of the European programs, as well as German programs, are more or less um, 1 year general management MBA programs. There are certain schools that offer certainly specialized programs, but you have to really do your research in your specific areas to to fine tune those universities. As Anuja said, German economy is on par the best global economies. What I found about it is not just automotive like the general perception. It is a holistic economy with areas in pharma, chemical, finance, medicine, etc., etc. And it is a very closely aligned economy to the Indian economy. Even though IT is always said to be the predominant sector or something that is world famous from India, there are also a lot of companies that are German that operate in India, mostly in manufacturing domain, in engineering domain, so on and so forth. The other important thing that I found about the MBA programs or in general the German education system is the strong industry immersion. And during the whole MBA program, it allows you to have a lot of industry connect. And of course, reiterating what Anuja said, it's a very strong ROI when it comes to MBA. If you think about MBA programs in the US or UK, they are in the tune of hundreds of thousands of dollars. Compared to that, of course, the MBA programs in Germany are not completely free as the other master's programs, but they are certainly quite cheaper when it comes to the global competition. But, and this brings me to the next slide, Prajakta, if you could. The MBA adoption in Germany is still not that well spread. So when you go to, let's say, the immigration authorities or the local people here, and you tell them that I'm doing an MBA, they are a bit flummoxed about it. So not everyone is completely on board with the concept of an MBA. Whereas when you say masters, yeah, they completely know that okay, he's doing a master's degree. And this is where the difference between the private and the public universities come in. So because Anuja has uh, delved deeper into all the university systems and all, I won't spend a lot of time giving you an overview about it. But what I noticed is when you compare the global MBA programs, with respect to that, the private MBA programs in Germany are more aligned to these global MBA programs. Now, it certainly does not mean in any case that the academic or the industry interaction, there's a difference between public and private. So they are absolutely the same when it comes to the academic quality, the teaching staff, the entire content of the coursework. But what it does differ is what I've tried to list down here is sometimes public universities are, they tend to be lesser popular because the private universities have a more broader outreach, global partnerships, um, more industry partnerships, so on and so forth. This is only in terms of MBA I'm talking about, okay, that I should make clear. um, Maybe it could be a case that the German requirement could be higher in terms of public universities, but when you think of it, it is actually a good way for language onboarding. Um, Most of the international crowd tends to gravitate towards the private universities, and That is why it could be the case that public universities may not have as much of a diverse cohort, but that is changing in the recent years as the MBA has been adopted throughout the country, so on and so forth. But the quality of the education, the staff, the course content, this is all exceptionally well and on par with any other top global universities. Coming to the private universities, these are the programs that are currently ranked through Germany on the global MBA ranking. So whenever people think about MBA, they come to think about Financial Times rankings, QS MBA rankings, so on and so forth. So these are the ones that are represented there. Um, that makes all the entire applicant pool from global countries to this global programs a bit more diverse when you compare it to the public ones. And they also have admissions through standardized tests such as GMAT, GRE, TOEFL, but they also have admissions through their own test as well. So for example, I graduated from Frankfurt School of Finance and Management. They have their own admission test as well. So if you are not prepared in terms of GMAT, GRE, so on and so forth, you can take these singular tests and also apply to these programs. A good way to understand about the private universities is to visit the MBA Alliance Germany. It is a alliance of top 5 business schools from Germany. They have come together to sort of promote the whole MBA education system and everything in Germany. What I would also like, or it's a lesson learned for me, is that you guys should certainly visit gmatclub.com. There you will find a lot of threads for all these business schools, programs, so on and so forth. And through the GMAT club, you will get to understand from current students, from ex-students, from alumni, from potential students. You can discuss it with them, um, so on and so on. But you would think that, okay, does because most of the global MBA programs, including German programs, require you to have certain years of work ex, 3 to 5 years of work ex, or so on and so forth. But if fresh out of school you still want to pursue management education, Germany really gives you opportunities to do that as well. You have courses such as masters in management, you have dual degree engineering management MBA programs such as SRH Hochschule gives you an degree in engineering plus management. So all these things you can certainly harness. You should first have your career focus ready, and then of course do your research. We are certainly there to help you. And as a next step, let us understand about the PhD programs. Over to you, Prajakta. Thank you.